Yes, Vasudha Didi, we will start again. Welcome everyone. Vasudha Didi, you are the host now.
Yes, Didi.
Yes.
I'll request Balaram Bhaiya to recite Patharva Smarami Smriti.
Pratasmarami.
Pratasmarami. Yes.
Thank you. This is the beautiful Shlotra chanted in the early morning before the sunrise, and it's mainly composed by Adi Shankaracharya. It mainly talks on the mind, manasa, vacha, karmana, and how to reach the goal to the Supreme Spirit by reciting the early morning the prayers. I start with the prayer. Pratasmarami hridi samspuradatatvam अच्छित्तं परमहंसं यत् स्वप्नजागर सुषुप्तमवेति नित्यं तत् ब्रह्म निष्कलमनहं न च भूतसङ्गः प्रातः भजामि मनसो वचसामगम्यं वाचो विभान्ति निखिला यदनुग्रहेण यन्नेति नेति वचनैरनिगमावदत्तु तं देवदेवमदमुच्यमनग्रहं प्रातः नमामि तमसा परमाकर्णं पूर्णं सनातनपदं पुरुषोत्तमाख्यं यस्मिन् इदं जगदशेषमशेषमूर्तौ रज्ज्वाभुजङ्गमिव प्रतिभासितं वै रज्ज्वाभुजङ्गिव प्रतिभासितं वै श्लोकत्रयमायुधुमुन् पुण्यं लोकत्रयाभिभाष्यं प्रातःकाले पददेस्तसे गच्छत् पदं. The meaning of this is, first sloka, the remembrance. Every morning we remember our self-atman, which is in existent conscious bliss, absolutely beyond all forms, eternal. It is beyond the state of waking, dream, and sleep. Every morning we tune ourselves again and again to ourselves, which is beyond the mind and speech. It can be described only as not this, and not in capital. It is the God of gods, immutable and supreme. Every morning we surrender to all that pervasive reality, which is as bright as the sun. It is as immanent and eternal. It is in that appears a world of manifold forms, like a snake superimposed on a rope. I remember, I worship, and I salute him. And lastly, the mind, manasa, vacha, that is speech, and Tanira. By reciting the all three sutras, we reach down, will reach the supreme goal and the ultimate reality and retain the blissful life. Thank you. Hari Om. Sir.
Thank you for telling the meaning of this shloka, Bhaiya. It was very nice. Really.
I'll put it in the group. Okay.
Yes, Bhaiya. Please. Please put the meaning on the group.
Yeah, everything.
So all, yes. Thank you, Bhaiya.
Yeah.
Yes, Vasudha Didi.
Two of our participants have painted beautiful paintings. I would request them to display their paintings. Nakshatra Didi and Urmila Didi. Nakshatra Didi has logged in.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi.
Yeah.
Wow.
Krishna, I have done Madhubani painting style.
Very beautiful.
Thank you, Didi. And
Wow.
thank you for giving this opportunity. I'm really feeling very, very happy. That's what you
Wow.
done.
Nakshita Didi has not logged in, Didi.
Okay. After some time, she will log in and then we can show her paintings. Yes.
Yeah. And now our youngest participant, Sharvi Didi, she's going to perform a dance. Requesting Sharvi Didi.
Yes, yes. Wait.
Yes, Didi.
Wait, advertisement is there.
એટલે તને કીધું તું ત્યાં pause કરીને રાખ ત્યાં. દે.
That's possible.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes, very beautiful dance, Sharvi Didi. No words to say, after seeing your dance. Wow. Excellent.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yes.
Thank you.
Chaitra Didi, you want to say something on this?
Yeah, I loved it absolutely. It was amazing to see her dance.
Yes.
Which class are you studying? You are studying in which class? You are studying in which class?
Third.
Third. Okay, fine.
Third standard. Wow.
Good. All the best.
Great, great. Yes. We will move forwards, Vasudha Didi.
Yes, Didi. I'll request Pradeep Bhaiya to share his experience learning Bhagavad Gita online.
Frankly speaking, I don't know how I got registered, but one day I found myself in a WhatsApp group with some correct language. Follow the rules, don't disturb them, don't disturb coordinators, and a lot of disciplinary things. So anyway, I'm 63 and I like discipline so much, and I look forward to the class. I had already done chanting for Rudram in Art of Living Ashram. So anyway, I like chanting so much. So it is all the nad that matters and that controls the mind. So this chanting is going to be extremely good. I was amazed to see the volunteers looking after everything. I mean, our dear she took maybe more than one class in a day, and I really know how much effort it takes to chant at higher pitch with modulations. And of course, Vasudha ji on the technical front, Chaitra ji on the coordinator, and I think Shantanu ji on weekend programs. All, I mean, it was amazing to see volunteers, working in a perfect manners, which will make corporates to look back on their own. And I really look for Gita Parivar to complete at least 1 crore, to teach 1 crore people. And as I'm very sure that as we teach 1 crore people, India will be back on track on the golden age. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Thank you for that thought, Bhaiya. That is really means we all of us who are working for making India again a golden age, what we
Yeah.
used to be. Sone ki
Yeah.
chidiya, what we used to say. So
Yes.
yes, that is a very nice thought. So all of us will be working on that now. We have few more with us. All of you are joined Gita Parivar now. Yes. I think we will hear from Sonali Didi something, and then again we will hear from our participants and sadhakas. Okay, Didi? Vasudha Didi?
Yes, Didi. Yes, Didi. Yes, Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna,
Beautiful
Sonali Tai.
performances. Jai Shri Krishna. Beautiful performances by so many participants, and beautiful painting also. Beautiful dance by Sharvi. I have no words for that. I will speak very few words. As we know, Srimad Bhagavad Gita is considered as a true guide, and many people desire to read, recitate, understand, and follow it. And this golden opportunity is given to us by Gita Parivar through online classes. I feel immensely blessed to have associated with Gita Parivar, where each one is bestowing his best and imparting selfless learning and motivating us to be driven in the same path. Thank you is a very small word for this, and shall remain always indebted to them for giving a path to enlightenment. A very special regard to the entire Gita Parivar. These are the feelings of each and every participant I know, and so that you can serve under Gita Parivar as a trainer or give technical support or be a coordinator, group coordinator, and there are many other roles which you can perform. So let's join hands and be a part of it by serving it. गीता पढ़ें, पढ़ाएं और जीवन में लाएं। थैंक यू।
Vasudha Didi and Pragati Madam, with your kind permission, can I recite the full Guru Stotram?
Just a minute, I will, just a minute, Balaram Bhaiya. I just, we all wanted to hear from Sonali Tai, and
Yeah,
so now
please.
I will tell you about Sonali Tai. She has been a trainer in L1, L2, L3, and now she is pursuing her L4. And her Sanskrit and her pronunciations are so beautiful, and her voice is very melodious, you know. When we hear her when she is reciting or teaching in her groups, it is very nice to hear. Just hear, I feel like hearing always, and not reciting after what she has recited. It is just quietness which engulfs us, you know. That is I always feel when I hear to her.
No, no, Pragati Didi, you are praising so much. I'm just a small trainer. I really have no words. Pragati Didi has always helped me in each and every, whatever I had asked her, she has always been a help. And you also know her very well. She also sings very well. Her voice is so beautiful. I haven't heard any shlokas from her, but she speaks so well. And I'm sure she teaches also very well. I haven't attended any class of her. She was my first tech in L1 class, and assist each and every participant in the group.
And since then we have been friends, Sonali Tai, correct?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yesterday was a friendship day, so very, very happy friendship to both of us. And now you have been connected to participants of this group also. Thank you, Sonali Tai, for coming and gracing
Thank
our
you so much for
celebration.
inviting me. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you.
Jai
Jai
Shri
Shri Krishna,
Krishna.
Sonali
Jai
Didi.
Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Didi, thanks for coming for our Manav Utsav. You have given us your precious time and precious advice. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Krishna, Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna. I'm obliged.
I'll request Preeti Didi. Her son wants to recite first shloka of chapter 12.
My name is Aditya.
Aditya, welcome.
So, Jai Shri Krishna.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for giving us. Wait. I just want for giving him the opportunity. He actually don't live in India. We live in Canada. So
मी असं समोर ठेवलंय पण ते काही दिसत नव्हतं. नाही दिसत. हा माझे कान दुखत
the
होते.
morning so I got him ready and
मध्ये मध्ये केलं. कुठे हात असं 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 कशाला मला पण जाणवत नाहीये मी थरथरते आणि
can he recite? Can he recite?
Aditya?
Okay, now you recite.
And also,
Yes, Aditya.
also, we're in Canada. It's morning right now, so we're not in India. We're actually in Canada.
Yeah.
I moved here when I was like 2-3-year-old with my mom.
Oh.
Okay, now
So
recite.
let me tell you. So let me recite. Can I also, excuse me, can I also screen share? Like share my screen?
What do you want to share?
Oh,
You're sharing
we
your
can't
screen.
even.
Yeah, we are sharing the video.
Yeah, but we can't even share.
Okay, now you read it.
Okay, we can't. But let me.
He's
share.
8 years old.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can share.
Yes, Aditya.
Go ahead.
So Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Atha Dvadashodhyayah. Arjuna Avach. Evam Satata Yukta Ye Bhakta Swam Paryupasate. ye chapyaksharam yaktan teshang ke yoga vittamaha.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Very nice, Aditya beta. Beautiful.
Actually, I recited this and then at home, and then my mom posted it on Facebook, and now I got a lot of blessings.
Wow.
From my relatives and my mom's friends, I got a lot of blessings.
Wow. Great. Blessings from us also. We all of us, we are all 18 of us, okay, here in this group now.
Actually, I just recited the first shloka and wow.
Yes, and you can keep reciting all other shlokas with your mummy.
Title of my mom's Facebook post just sounded like a meme, first part. So Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna beta.
Also, Didi, Pragati madam, my son is also in Toronto, Canada.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, we are also in Toronto.
Toronto, Canada.
Okay.
Abhishek Menon.
Okay.
Excuse me, Didi.
Yes.
I also want to thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Yes. Yes, Kiranya Shri, you are speaking.
Yes. Jai Shri Krishna. I am feeling so grateful today. I have got opportunity to sing bhajan for Lord Krishna. I would like to thank Geeta for spreading light of Srimad Bhagavad Gita in our life. I would also like to thank for this auspicious celebration and opportunity. Lord Krishna bless all of us. Jai Shri Krishna, thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna beta. Yes, Lord Krishna is always with you.
Yeah.
Yes, anyone else wants to share?
I'll be the vote of thanks, madam, along with Guru Sutra.
Just a minute, Bhaiya. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, Janvi Didi.
My mother make a poem on you, so she want to recite it.
Sure, Didi.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
मराठीत म्हणत आहे.
हो चालेल ना मराठी.
तुमच्यासाठी केली.
माझ्यासाठी केली आहे.
नाही सगळ्यांना करता येते. सगळ्यांना करताय. सगळे जे 18 माणसामध्ये सगळ्यांना मराठी येते. ओके.
गुरु आहे या चिमुकल्या बालकांचा. तू गुरु आहे या चिमुकल्या बालकांचा. तू गुरु आहे या मातीच्या गोळ्याचा. तू गुरु आहे या मातीच्या गोळ्यांचा. तू एक रूप होतो या चिमुकल्या बालकांशी. तू एक रूप होतो या चिमुकल्या बालकांशी. तू टोचून करतोस त्यांना पात्र मोठी. तू टोचून करतोस त्यांना पात्र मोठी. तुझी ही कला निराळी. तुझी ही कला निराळी. त्यांचा इतका तुका हितेशी. त्यांचा इतका तुका हितेशी. तुझी कला तुलाच येते. तुझी कला तुलाच येते. तुका इतका एकरूप त्यांच्याशी. तुका इतका एकरूप त्यांच्याशी. जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय श्री कृष्ण. खूप सुंदर. खूप सुंदर आहे कविता. पाठवून द्याल आपल्या ग्रुपवर.
हो ना.
तुम्ही लिहिली आहे.
हो तुमच्यानंतर कल्पना आल्या म्हणा. तुम्हाला बघितल्यानंतर अशा कल्पना आल्या.
धन्यवाद ताई, धन्यवाद. ग्रुपवर पाठवू.
हो ठीक आहे.
तुम्ही कुठे असता दोघी जणी? नागपूर. ओके. Kiranya Shri, where are you from? Sharvi Didi, where are you from?
From Bangalore.
Okay.
I'm from Kerala.
Okay. Pradeep Bhaiya?
I'm from Nasik.
Okay. Mahima Didi?
Mama is from Mumbai.
Yes,
Oh.
I'm from Mumbai.
Oh.
I am the senior most. I am from Mumbai. Age 72 years old.
Mumbai.
Okay. Balaram Bhaiya is also from Mumbai. Sharad Bhaiya?
हाँ दीदी
You are from?
No.
Manu Nidankara.
I'm from Goa.
Goa. You are from Goa.
Goa, Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama. Nice. Vasudha Didi, today
Yes,
even
Didi.
we want to see you also.
Yeah, where
Please switch on your camera.
Didi always I'm in the back.
Yes. Please remove my spotlight.
Okay, Didi.
So all have been seeing me for these 20 days. Let us see you. And Chaitra Didi also, you can spotlight both of you.
Chaitra Pai.
Yes.
And you both, yes. And both you can just share your experiences with this group, please.
Jai Shri
I'll
Krishna,
request
everyone.
Chaitra Didi.
Okay, sure, I'll go ahead.
Yes.
Actually, I had this thought that whenever I start, I'll first say Vasudha Didi to switch on the camera. She has been at the back supporting everyone. Every day I can say Pragati Didi, everyone saw from day one. She has been guiding everyone to with correct pronunciations, grammar corrections and all. But Vasudha Didi has always been behind the camera and the one who is the reason for the great coordination between everyone. So I wanted to request her to please switch on her camera and say a few words, but I'll start now. You all said that. Okay, to begin with, I never thought this would be so much interesting. I've been a group. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Yes, you're audible now.
I have been a group coordinator for the first time, and this has been very amazing journey. I mean, Pragati Didi, Vasudha Didi has always been so supportive. They had always had ears for anything I said or suggested. They supported me, they guided me all the way. Didi is so much busy. She is a batch coordinator. She's even a trainer. Still, she had time to come back to me with suggestions and all. I'm very thankful to her. And even Vasudha Didi, who always suggested me, who commented that what needs to be corrected and all. So thanks to both of you. Without you, I couldn't have done this. I mean, whatever small contribution I have given towards this is only because both of you and all the participants who have been very regular. I mean, I have seen only this many participants from day one who are till now there. And seeing these children's reciting shlokas, it gave me an energy to continue my journey as well. I mean, seeing them seem so much confident in front of camera as well. I actually am a camera shy person, you can say, but seeing them, it encouraged me to be a more confident of a person. I mean, I had no words that how much they had encouraged me to move forward. I also request everyone to please continue on this journey. I mean, you have completed with 2 chapters, but don't stop here. Don't stop until you learn all the 18 chapters. Examination isn't a necessary part. What is important and mandatory is you learn all the 18 chapters by heart. I mean, examination just builds up a confidence in you that, yeah, you know it, how much you scored, but the score or examination is not the most important thing. The most important thing is you learn Bhagavad Gita. So please concentrate on that. Many of them have a thing that there is an examination. So if I can continue or not. So you can continue without examination, I guess, till level 4 as well. Pragati Didi must know
Yes.
about that.
Yes,
I
yes,
guess
you can. You can complete all 18 chapters without giving any examination.
so. If you want to become a trainer, then examination is compulsory. If not, then you can continue till level 4 without giving examination. So don't be held back with the fear of examination. Please continue till L4 and continue to serve in any way you can. I mean, being a part of Gita Parivar, being a technical assistant, group coordinator, batch coordinator, you can also serve being an influencer to others in your families, in your surrounding. You can just influence people and become part of Gita Parivar. It isn't that you need always a tag. You can be a part anywhere in the world, in any circumstances and in any situation. You can try to encourage people to learn Gita. It's not actually just the Sanskrit, it's actually a way of life we all lead. I mean, it's never said that as Ashu Bhaiya had said, that Bhagavad Gita is all what it teaches all, which is everything in the world, but it teaches us a way of life, which is very important. I mean, I'm too small to say this, but still, whatever I have learned till now, I'm sharing my experience. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Chaitra Didi.
Vasudha Didi, I please request you to take over. Now everyone wants to see you. It's you who have been
Yes,
behind
and
the
hear
camera.
you also. Yes, see you and hear you, Didi.
Yeah, exactly. What has been your experience with this group? How this group was for you? How was I personally?
Yes, Didi.
Vasudha Didi?
Yes, Didi. Yes, Didi. I'll be logged. Yeah, just a minute. Huh?
Okay, sure, no problem. Yeah, till then I will also.
Yes, who has joined with the name Botlag iPhone?
Didi,
You
it's
can
me only.
Okay.
It's me only.
Okay.
Yes, Didi. I'm Vasudha. Jai Shri Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna, Vasudha Didi.
Yes, the spotlight is still on me. I mean, I don't know. I'm just confused. Yeah, now you are here.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. I'm Vasudha, your technical for July L1 batch. Am I visible?
Yes. And your experience with us, Didi?
Yeah, definitely. It was very.
Have we troubled you a lot?
Not at all, Didi. Not at all. It was a wonderful experience being a tech for this particular group. I would request that in fact, I would say I am thankful to all the participants for maintaining the high discipline required during the class and making us run the class smoothly. Didi, I would like to tell you, or in fact, I would like to inform you that initial days I used to mute all. Then I stopped muting all. And the participants were so disciplined that they used to keep themselves muted. And the chance was there, I used to unmute them. And again, they used to switch over to mute button by themselves. So I'm very thankful to each and every participants in this particular group. And with the blessings of Lord Krishna, we have completed 2 adhyayas of Bhagavad Gita. This Dvadasho Adhyay and Panchadasho Adhyay. I would request each and every participant to continue reading and reciting the Srimad Bhagavad Gita online, which is available to us. We all are blessed sitting in the comforts of our home and getting the free online classes through Gita Parivar, learning and reciting the shlokas. We are blessed ones to do that. With our co-trainer Pragati Didi, our group coordinator Chaitra Didi, and everyone was very kind to me. They didn't even trouble me for anything. I would say that.
Thank you, Vasudha Didi. It was very nice hearing from you, you know. For so many days, we just could hear you used to take everyone's name and just mute, unmute. And now you have told ki it was means they were doing it by themselves. You just used to, yeah, it was amazing, really amazing. So you all are very disciplined now. So the next level, whichever group you go, there the tech and the trainer will not have any problem, I think.
Yeah, definitely, Didi. At least this particular batch participants now, they are not going to give any kind of trouble to the tech and the trainer and the GC also. Didi, in this
Yes.
particular batch, you won't believe, hardly any of the doubts, queries, nothing was there.
Yes, everyone was studying by themselves, so nice. Even I
Yeah.
was feeling very nice. They were studying also, means they were whatever I have recited, and they were really grasping everything very nicely, and they were studying by themselves. I did not get many audios also, Naito, all the other groups I used to get they used to recite the audios, shlokas, they used to send the audios. All the audios I had to listen and correct them. And again, they used to send 5 shlokas, 10 shlokas, 20 shlokas. They used to do that also. So lots of work I have done. And this group, very few people have sent the audios, and they were also so correct. I did not have anything to check,
Very true.
No mistakes.
And
Really, I could feel they are learning by themselves. Yes.
And Didi, one more thing, all the participants in this particular group are very lucky. See, in other groups, what I've seen, or I have been a participant also. So I think so after 4 days, my name used to come for reciting. And in this particular group, each and every participant got at least twice or sometimes thrice a chance the same day to recite the shloka in front of the co-trainer of the group.
Yeah. We were a small group, of about 22 people every day. So we are very lucky that we got a chance every day to recite the shlokas. Yes.
Yeah.
And even
Didi,
I had a bonding with everyone very nicely because of that.
Yeah, Didi. And participants like Sant Bhaiya, the name never used to get displayed, but yeah, I used to remember that he is the person. But I don't know why Mangesh Bhaiya, he was not well. But later also he didn't join, and today he is present. I'm very happy.
We
I'm
will
very
join
happy
again. We would like to hear from Mangesh Bhaiya, even Nakshatra Didi, and Iyer.
Nakshatra Didi has joined it.
Viji
Iyer
Didi.
is I have brought her. She's our friend only.
Okay.
So she is going to join the next batch, level 1.
Okay. So nice. So hearing from her also will be a very nice. We will join again. Okay. At least for 10-15 minutes we will join. I want to speak on. I am a batch coordinator also for